Uhuru friends and comrades, this is Jackson with another Daily Reparations Life Hacks with Jackson. Thank you for tuning in. Today's life hack is to, if you have eczema or just really dry skin, or you want to prevent bags from forming under your eyes, I put Decolonaise on. I took the label off. It is Decolonaise, which is the economic program of the Afghan National Women's Organization under the Afghan People's Socialist Party. It has shea butter and a lot of other good things in it, and I just put a tiny bit on my finger, and I put it all over my eye and under my eye, and even where you would put your eyeliner, and leave that on. I'll sometimes do it even 2 or 3 times a day, or whenever I put on hand lotion if the weather is really dry, and it's really helped me prevent eczema on my eyes and really helped me feel good, and my skin around there feel good. So I highly recommend doing that. And this Decolonaise benefits the Afghan National Women's Organization, which is fighting for the liberation of African women and all African people, and has incredible campaigns going on right now of Arrest CPS, about the kidnapping of Afghan children from their families by the quote child protective system. When they don't protect children, they attack children and families. So they have extremely great products that I highly recommend and I use every day, definitely they're really high quality as well, and I love them. So I definitely recommend going to decolonaise.com and getting yours. And please contribute to this reparations challenge. I'm making this YouTube series as a reparations challenge to raise reparations, to raise money for the Black Power Blueprint programs, building Black community self-reliance, self-empowerment programs, such as the Afghan the Afghan Liberation, shoot, I just blanked on it, how horrible. But it's for recently incarcerated Afghan people to re-enter society, have job training, job opportunities, and learn how to run their own businesses. And that's just one of the programs. Also, the Gary Brooks Community Garden is opening up next spring, and fruit trees are planted, and so many other exciting things going on that I could talk about for a long time. But we're going to wrap up this video. Please go to uhurusolidarity.org, that's UHURU solidarity.org. Click on the big red button, Pay Reparations, and put in the comments that is for Daily Reparations Life Hacks with Jackson, or just Daily Reparations. Thank you so much for tuning in, and Uhuru!